Hi everyone, during this video we're going to show you how to add any Polygon tokens to your Stargazer wallet. Once in the wallet, click on Manage Tokens at the bottom of the screen. A list of preloaded ERC20 and Polygon tokens will appear. Simply select the Polygon tokens you want to display by pressing on the button. As you can see, just like that, we've added the Polygon USDT and AVE tokens to our list. If a token doesn't appear on the list, simply click the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen and you'll be taken to the Add Custom Token screen. Click on Network Type and select Polygon. Now you can add the contract address for the new token. Please make sure to use a verified contract address when doing this step. We're using Coingecko in this example. Also, with it being Polygon support, make sure to use Polygon contract addresses. Copy the address and then paste it in the wallet. It will autofill its information and you can then add it to your list. And there you go. You can now store any of your Polygon tokens in your Stargazer wallet. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.